As you can see, laying here on the yard cart are several different bows, and we're going to review one aspect of each of these bows that might help you determine which one of these bows you might choose if you're planning on a purchase soon. So hang on, we'll get to it right here, and hopefully this will help you make the purchase that satisfies your needs as a bow hunter, as an archer. My name's Terry Bailey. I've been able to acquire several bows over the years, and there's many things that go into the purchase of a bow, and how they look, length, quietness, different materials they're made of, and we'll get into each of those aspects. But today, the only thing we're considering is, are they quiet? So this is my Autumn Storm bow by Lone Wolf, and we'll fire about 3 arrows from each bow, and you can just listen up and make your own decision. And as you can see, I've done some work toward quietening the bow. Alright, listen up. The focus is, how does it sound? And we'll fire one of the wooden arrows. Those last two were axis arrows. Alright, let's move on to the Stewart bow. And nice bow, and listening for the sound. Pretty quiet. Wooden arrow. Oh yes. Okay, now we'll move on to the Striker Sport bow. Very lightweight bow, by the way. There are things I really like about this bow, and things I don't like about this bow. So all we're considering now is the sound. Listen closely. Pretty quiet. And a wooden arrow. Now we'll move on to the Savannah Damon Hoyt bow. And I really like this bow. And you do your own determination as far as what you think the bow sounds like when we let the arrow go. Wood arrow. Axis arrow. Alright. Now we're over to the Desert Fox bow. Wooden arrow. Axis arrow, and one more wooden arrow. And lastly is the Woodland Hunter bow. Focus on the sound. Wooden arrow, axis arrow. Alright, if sound is a factor in you choosing your bow, maybe that'll help you if you're considering any of these bows. I have others I'll do the same thing for. And the main thing is to remember that Jesus loves you and has a perfect plan and purpose for your life. Have a great day. God bless.